If you're a woman over 40, you might wake up feeling tight and achy. So I'm going to show you 5 morning stretches that I do every morning before I even get out of bed to help me feel a little less stiff and achy. So you can do these right in your bed before you even get up. So let's get going. So I'm going to pretend that I'm lying on my bed and show you these 5 stretches. So the first one is when I wake up, I just turn over on my back and I stretch out my legs and I just start to move my feet. So I just start to flex the feet and point the feet. So I just start to point and flex and point and flex just to get some circulation going on in the feet. Because before we put any weight on our feet, we want to get some circulation going on, lubricate the joints a bit. So just stretching the back of the legs, the top of the feet. So you can just do this for a minute or so and see how that feels for you. You also want to be maybe stretching the toes, so spreading the toes, and you can scrunch up the toes. Just see what feels good to you. After that, you can bend your knees, bring your feet to the floor, and then you're just going to take your right ankle on top of your left knee. So you might feel already a stretch in this right hip. If it's okay, you can stay here. And then I just circle my right ankle. So I just circle the right ankle around while I'm starting to open up this right hip. Gentle movement of the foot, just circle the ankle in one direction and then circle it the other way. So we're just circling the ankle. And then you can do the other side. So you're bringing the left ankle up on top of the right knee. And again, you can just stay here and circle the ankle in one direction and then the other. So as always, just see what works for you. If it doesn't feel good, just don't do it, or modify it, make the circle smaller. It's supposed to feel good. All right, then we can take both feet back to the floor. So next thing, take your time, just hug your knees into your chest. Be careful with the lower back, see how you feel. You can bring your hands onto your knees, and you can just do a little rock side to side, just starting to stretch the lower back a little bit, just a gentle rock side to side. You don't have to pull the knees in too tight. You can just see how this feels on your back. And then you can circle them around. If you can't reach your knees, you can also hold on behind your hamstrings. So just play with it. Circle again both directions. So this is the third movement. And then I stretch out my right leg, holding on to the left knee, and just hug the left knee in towards my left shoulder, keeping the right leg on the floor. Again, it doesn't have to be all the way into the body, it can be a little bit away. And you can actually move with it, just letting it move away and then bring it in. This is gonna stretch the right hip flexor, the front of the right hip. And then when you're ready, just change sides. So you're bringing the right knee in, stretching the left leg out. You can always just stay here, maybe 30 seconds, 20 seconds, a minute, however long feels good. And again, you can kind of move with it here if you like, just hugging the knee in and out. See how this feels. Beautiful. And then when you're ready, bring the knees in. You're going to turn over onto your side, let the legs hang off the bed, and use your arms to press yourself up. See if you can keep your back nice and straight. And then you're just going to sit on the edge of the bed. So imagine I'm on the edge of my bed, feet are on the floor, and I'm just going to do one more movement, stretch for my back. So one more movement, stretch for the back. Bringing the fingertips to your bed, You're going to reach up, inhale. Exhale down for the arms. Inhale up and down. And let's just do for our back. Inhale up. Bringing the left hand to the bed. Just walk up and over. Do a little side bend to your left. Come back to center. Inhaling. And then bring the other hand down. Just a little side bend again to the other side. And you can do as many of these as feels good, but I would suggest at least 3 or 4 times each side to really warm up the spine. But start small. You're just waking up. The body might be stiff. So you want to take time with yourself and just gradually increase your range of motion. So after you've done 3 or 4 times, you can bring the arms down. So let's do one more bonus stretch, a gentle twist again for the back. So you're going to reach the arms up, inhale, and just twist gently, gently to the left. Inhale the arms up, and again twist gently, gently to the right. And just keep going a few times, inhaling up, exhaling to the left, inhaling up, exhaling to the right. One more. Nice deep breaths as you move. And to the right. And then just bring your hands down. And there you go. 5, or I think that was 6 morning stretches that you can do before you even get out of bed. And I don't even think that took us 5 minutes. So I hope you find some benefit. I hope these helped you. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a great day.